representatives of the AARP are planning a healthy drive soon. Thanks for Small tells us more.
Once again with Dr. Cora Christian. I said she wears many hats, and today we're going to talk about the AARP and some of their initiatives and drives that they've got going on. Thanks again for spending time with us. Exactly what's going on with the AARP right now?
We have this enormous campaign called Did We Fail? And what basically we're trying to indicate is that it is critical for all Americans, and that includes the Virgin Islands, for all Americans to have health and financial security. So in 2006, we started this campaign, and what the campaign initially focused on was to get all politicians, and we're getting into the political season now, to get all politicians nationally, on the state level, the local level, to sign a pledge to say that if elected, not only would they support, they would put in legislation and they would implement legislation to ensure that every American has health care and financial security. So this is a huge campaign that we've been involved in. And of course, this year, AARP actually becomes a member. I'm going to ask you how old you are. We actually become a member. This year, AARP makes 50. And so we're really pushing this Divided We Fail campaign, and we accomplish it. And of course, both presidential candidates, both Senator McCain and Senator Obama, they have signed their support. Obama has signed the pledge. McCain says he doesn't sign pledges, but he's put his support there. And we've had many local senators, and of course, the governor has signed it. So we know that on a political level, people are interested. What we want to make sure now that behind it comes the legislation that really puts this in place. And so you'll hear us continually do this and talk about Divided We Fail, which is a campaign, and tell you in public, stand up for yourself, write to your senators, write to the president, write to whomever you feel can make a difference to make sure that when the day is done, we all have health care and financial security. There are over 47 million people who don't have insurance. And so it's not a small issue. But many people who only live on Medicare, when they get older, they have no pension plan because the employer has stopped it. So this is a coming together. We have the business roundtable. We have the largest labor union joining hands with the AARP. It's a monumental effort. And we want to make sure that the Virgin Islanders stay involved and attached to this campaign.
Thank you very much. That's very important because right now, these hard economic times, you should not have to make a decision to take a razor blade and cut your pills in half just so that you can have food or gas in your car, get clothes for your kids to go back to school. These are really hard economic times. And the AARP, they're a good watchdog. And so this will be a good initiative. So we can see them out there, give them your support because we all need health care. Thank you very much, Doc. Once again, send the doc is always good, man. It's good.
Thanks for allowing us to have this opportunity to share this with your viewing audience.
Thank you very much. You're Christian. I'm Wes Small for News Channel 8.